This is actually a turkey carcass. So basically I deboned it, removed the drumstick, the thigh, the breast, the wings, and it left me with the bones. So this is all the bones of the turkey. But I leave the gizzard, the liver, the heart, and the neck. So basically I just put oil in a pan, and we're just gonna pretty much cook this a little bit. And by the way, I normally soak my turkey in brine, salt and water. See how much salt you want it in the water. So basically defrosting it in brine. So yeah, this is it right here. So I'm debating, I'm actually want to try sinigang, or I'm just making a regular turkey soup. So let's see how it's gonna turn out. This is my first time cooking it raw. Normally I baked it, remove all the meat, and make soup out of it. But this time I'm starting from raw turkey. So give it a couple of minutes, maybe about 5 or 10. Just let our liquid come out of that. And we'll see if we're gonna decide to make a sinigang turkey or turkey soup. Alright guys, give me a couple of minutes. Put the water to evaporate. Okay. Uh-oh, it's crooked. Awesome. Put some liquid in. Scrape the bottom. Okay guys, welcome back. So I decided to make a turkey vegetable soup. And this is actually the turkey. It's been boiling for a couple of hours. It's been boiling for a couple of hours. I seasoned it with seasoned salt. That's why it's yellow right now. But yeah, it's very tender now and flavorful. So we're gonna saute some vegetable that I have available in my fridge. You can put any vegetable that you wanted, but it's gonna be a simple one. This is a one big large onion. Remember, it's a vegetable soup. So let's cook the onion. Let it brown a little bit. Give it a couple of minutes. Let's put some butter, guys, for extra flavor. 1, 2, 3. About 3 tablespoons. We're gonna put our carrots. That's a 2 large carrots and a 3 medium-sized potatoes. Then we're gonna add our bell pepper. These are sweet peppers. About 3 medium-sized sweet peppers, 3 red, 3 orange, 3 yellow, and 3 green. I do have a chicken and poultry rub, but I'm gonna put it over here as part of my seasoning. We got peppers, black pepper, paprika, rosemary, thyme, parsley, sour seed, all good stuff. So I will put 1.5. I think 2 tablespoons is too much. Very colorful. And a tablespoon of black pepper. Salt, we're gonna adjust it at the end. And we put some this stock because it's seasoning is burning. Scrape all that good stuff at the bottom. So what I'm gonna do now, because our turkey is very, very tender. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put the stock, and I'll put the rest of the meat later on. So this is pretty much done. But we have to cook our veggie. Alright. So let it boil, simmer, until the potato and carrots are actually tender. And we will check the seasoning and we'll add the turkey. And that's about it. Very simple. And it warms your heart. Especially now it's 43 degrees. It's cold. Alright guys, wait for the potato and carrots. Yum. Doesn't need the, you don't need to put salt in it. Couple more minutes. I'm gonna lower the temperature to medium high. I'm gonna give it about 5 minutes. We can add the turkey. So basically this is done, guys. This is actually a fresh turkey. Defrosted it. By defrosting it, I used the brine. I soak it in salt and water. So what I cook it at the beginning is actually I put oil in a pan and browned it, and all the water that came out of it, and I slightly fry it, and I put 3 of the 32 ounces water, and then it actually evaporated. It's about 64 ounces that's left here now. So saute some vegetable, onion, carrots, potato. You can use noodles, but potato is better, it will last longer. And a multicolor peppers. So put the stock and let the vegetable cook and add the turkey at the end. Very simple. Tastes sweet. It's good. So actually, to save some money, so I bought a turkey, the whole turkeys, the young turkey. So I fillet it, just like I said. Separate the drumstick, the thigh, the breast, everything, and then I was left with the bone. So yeah, so this is it. This is a fresh turkey vegetable soup, and it's delicious, guys. It tastes good, it looks good. You can eat this with rice or any of your favorite crackers, or you can add noodles. I mean, you know, you can be creative in this soup. I guarantee you guys, it's very delicious. So yeah, I'm just gonna put it in low, let it simmer, cover it until I'm ready to eat. There you go, guys. Thank you for watching. This is your Miss T. I know I don't have much vlog lately, but I was not feeling well, so I'm actually in a diet, so I don't have appetite. So if you don't have appetite, you cannot cook. So I'm kind of like okay now. So yeah, I created this fresh turkey soup, fresh turkey vegetable soup. So I hope you guys like this one. Give it a thumbs up, try it, and let me know if you like the recipe. Very simple. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is your Miss T, capital T, on cooking. Let it simmer until we're ready to eat. Bye, guys.